Ever wondered how you can transform your small space into a serene oasis? Welcome to MidTown Farmer, the channel that's all about bringing the calming, vibrant energy of nature into compact living spaces. Today, we'll be exploring just that, turning your cozy corner into a lush haven with the right houseplants. From selection to nurturing to arrangement, we'll cover it all. Our goal? To empower you to cultivate a flourishing indoor garden. So, are you ready? Join us as we dive into the wonderful world of houseplants perfectly suited for compact living. Choosing the right plant is the first step to creating your indoor oasis. Let's dive into the diverse world of houseplants that are ideal for small spaces. Each plant species has its unique features, benefits, and care considerations, all of which play a crucial role in the selection process. Succulents, with their compact size and low-maintenance nature, are a popular choice. They come in a range of intriguing shapes and vibrant colors, adding a touch of exotic beauty to your space. These desert dwellers love sunlight and require very little water, making them a perfect choice for sunny windowsills. On the other hand, snake plants, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, are incredibly hardy and can thrive in a variety of light conditions, from low light to full sun. Their upright growth habit makes them ideal for corners and narrow spaces. Plus, they're excellent air purifiers. If you're leaning towards a touch of elegance, consider English ivy. Its cascading vine growth habit makes it a perfect choice for hanging baskets or high shelves. However, keep in mind that this beauty enjoys cooler temperatures and indirect light. For those who have a soft spot for lush tropical foliage, the heartleaf philodendron might be your perfect match. This plant is a real stunner with its glossy, heart-shaped leaves. It's also quite forgiving and can tolerate a range of light conditions. Remember, each plant has its unique needs for light, water, and overall care. For instance, while succulents love basking in the sun, the philodendron prefers a spot away from direct sunlight. Similarly, the snake plant can go weeks without water, while the English ivy prefers consistently moist soil. In conclusion, selecting the right houseplants involves understanding their needs and how well they align with your space and lifestyle. Do you have a sunny spot for a succulent, or is a shady corner waiting for a snake plant? Are you able to provide the consistent watering that an ivy needs, or do you prefer the let-it-be approach of a philodendron? Remember, the key to a thriving indoor garden is selecting plants that suit your space and lifestyle. So let's take this knowledge and move to the next step, nurturing your chosen houseplants. Now that you have your plants, it's time to learn how to keep them happy and healthy. Nurturing houseplants involves more than just watering them. It's about understanding their unique needs and creating an environment where they can flourish. Firstly, let's discuss watering schedules. This can be a bit of a Goldilocks situation. Not too much, not too little, but just right. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can leave your plants parched and wilted. As a rule of thumb, most houseplants prefer their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. So, when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, it's time to give your plant a drink. Using a moisture meter, you can easily check the condition of your plants. The meter will quickly tell whether your plant is doing well, dry and needs water, or wet and could use a day to dry out next. Let's illuminate on lighting conditions. Some plants, like succulents, enjoy basking in bright direct sunlight. Others, such as ivy vines, prefer a more shaded existence. It's essential to research your plant's specific light requirements and place them accordingly in your home. Now, on to essential maintenance. This includes tasks like pruning, fertilizing, and repotting. Regularly check your plants for any dead or yellowing leaves and prune them away to keep your plant looking its best. Fertilizing your plants every few weeks during the growing season can also give them a much-needed nutrient boost. And remember, as your plant grows, it may need to be repotted into a larger home. Even with the best care, sometimes issues can arise. Watch out for common problems like pests, drooping leaves, or browning tips. Most of these issues can be resolved with a little troubleshooting. Under the conditions of low humidity, your plant may experience excessive moisture loss through its leaves, which can manifest as yellowing and downward curling, eventually leading to leaf drop. Brown tips on leaves often signal inadequate humidity levels, while browning at the leaf edges may point to insufficient watering. It is crucial to monitor and adjust environmental moisture to maintain plant health. With the right care, your houseplants will not only survive but thrive, transforming your space into a vibrant, living work of art. So let's embrace the joy of nurturing houseplants and create a serene oasis in our small spaces. Because remember, plants are living beings too, and they need our love and care to thrive. Arrangement is an art, and with a few tips, you can turn your collection of plants into a visually stunning display. In the world of small spaces, every square inch counts. So let's talk about some space-saving techniques to strategically position your houseplants. The goal is to maximize visual impact without overcrowding. Remember, your plants need room to breathe and grow, just like you do. First, consider utilizing vertical space. This can be achieved through hanging solutions such as macrame plant hangers or wall-mounted pots. These options allow you to display your plants at different heights, adding a dynamic dimension to your space. They also keep your precious greenery away from pets or small children, allowing them to thrive undisturbed. Next, think about employing tiered plant stands. These stands are fantastic for showcasing your plants at staggered levels, allowing each one to have its moment in the spotlight. This method is perfect for those who have a variety of plants, as it allows for different lighting needs to be catered to at each tier. Now let's talk about shelves. Shelves are a plant lover's best friend. They offer a great way to make use of wall space and corners, which are often underutilized. You can mix and match plant types, sizes, and pots for an eclectic look, or maintain a consistent theme for a more minimalist style. Remember, arranging your plants is not just about aesthetics, it's also about creating the optimal environment for each plant. Make sure each plant is placed in a location that suits its needs for light and temperature. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of arranging plants is that it's an ever-evolving process. As your plants grow and your collection expands, you'll find new ways to arrange and display your greenery. With a little creativity, even the smallest spaces can become a lush green sanctuary. So let your imagination run wild and turn your small space into a botanical haven. Creating a serene oasis with houseplants is a rewarding journey that brings a piece of nature into your home. We've journeyed through the selection of vibrant and compact plant species, the nurturing steps to ensure their growth, and the art of arranging them for maximum impact. Remember, even the smallest space can bloom into a tranquil haven with the right houseplants and care routine. So, are you ready to infuse your living space with the vibrant energy and tranquility of houseplants? Subscribe to MidTown Farmer and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for all our green escapes, tips, and tricks for small space gardening. Keep thriving.
Damn.